Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and you're watching WhatsApp Bollywood. What happened with Sushant Singh Rajput on 13th and 14th June? Now this has been revealed. Sushant Singh Rajput's cook Neeraj has talked about these 2 days in detail. Watch the video to know more. Sushant's cook Neeraj said, on June 13, Sushant sir woke up at 7 am. I left for walking the dog. I returned at around 9 am and Sushant sir was sitting in his room. When I went to clean the room, he told me to do so later. In the afternoon, I prepared some khichdi and served it to sir. In the evening, sir came out of the room and went on the terrace. He returned after some time and did not have dinner. He only had mango shake and slept. Well, this was the story of June 13. But what happened on June 14? Who was present at Sushant's house? Who saw him hanging? And who brought down his body? Watch the video to know all these answers. Neeraj said, on June 14, I woke up at 6:30 am as always and went to walk the dog. I returned at around 8 am. Then I cleaned the room upstairs and cleaning the staircase. Sushant sir came out of his room and asked for chilled water. When I served him water, he drank the water there. He asked me if the hall was clean and smiled and went back. After that, at around 9:30 am, when I was cleaning the hall, I saw Keshav taking bananas, coconut water and juice to sir's room. When Keshav came back, he said sir only had coconut water and juice. At around 10:30 am, Keshav again went to sir's room and asked what he would like to have for lunch. He knocked on the door, but the room was locked from inside and there was no response. He thought sir was sleeping, so he came downstairs. He told this to Dipesh and Siddharth. They also went to the room and started knocking. They knocked for quite a long time, but there was no response as sir did not open the door. Dipesh came down and told me about it. I also went to sir's room, but sir was not opening the door, so Siddharth called on sir's phone, but sir's room door did not open, nor did he answer the call. We started looking for the room keys, but we wouldn't find them. Then Meetu Didi told us to open the room and that she was on the way and will reach soon. Siddharth called up a keymaker. Around 1:30 pm, 2 key makers came there who tried to make keys to open the door, but they were taking time. So Siddharth asked them to break the lock. In next 5 to 10 minutes, they broke the lock. After that, the key makers were sent down. Dipesh gave them rupees 2000 and they left. When Dipesh came up, we opened the door and it was pitch dark in the room and air conditioning was on. Dipesh switched on the light. Siddharth went ahead from the door and quickly came out. Behind him, I and Dipesh also went inside. I saw that Sushant sir's face was facing towards the window and was hanging from the ceiling fan with a green colored kurta on his neck on one side of the bed. Seeing this, I got scared and came out of the room and Siddharth called Meetu and told her about this. After that, Siddharth asked me to get a knife to cut the cloth. I brought the knife and Siddharth cut the kurta and sir's body was brought down. Sushant sir's feet were outside the bed while rest of the body fell on the bed. It was the same time that sir's sister Meetu entered the room and started shouting, "Gulshan, तूने ये क्या किया?" After that, Meetu Didi asked us to arrange sir properly on bed. So 3 of us put him on the bed properly. Sir's body was kept in the opposite direction, feet being on the side of head and head being on the side of the feet. I removed the kurta that was tied around his neck and put it aside. Siddharth tried pumping sir's chest, but it had no effect. Then Siddharth called the police for help and then the police arrived. The kurta used for hanging belonged to Sushant sir and he had 3-4 similar kurtas of Feb India make of different colors. He used these kurtas while performing puja. Well, what do you think about Sushant Singh Rajput's cook Neeraj's statement? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.